Benz update. I have the Orion set up. It's all connected. So let's walk through. I have the wire that's coming in from the alternator coming into this block, which is connected to the auxiliary battery. It's also sharing power across this bus bar here. This powers on a fuse, 30 amp, that feeds power into the Orion. The next section here, there's two empty bolts on the bus bar. That's for my stereo. I'm going to connect that to that with a fuse. And then the next one here is the wire that goes out to the starter battery on a 30 amp fuse, which is connected into the output on the Orion, and then the ground connected to there. I did it this way because I want constant power coming into this battery, as I'm going to be running a stereo. The front battery only gets drawn when I start the car, and then it'll just trickle charge based on the demand that this thing will send out. This thing will run constantly because the control switch has a jumper on it. I'm going to put in an ignition connection here so that it only turns on when the car is actually running. It'll detect that and then send the demand over to the front battery and power the back. Not power the back being powered by the alternator. Then have my stereo connected to it. I haven't started the car yet. I'm going to start that and see how it goes. I do have just the connectors from the BCM back here. The relays that were connected, they're just sitting there for now. I'll clean it all up, but this is it. Let's see how it runs.